I threw Coca-Cola in the sink and look what happened. Surely you love Coca-Cola, and it is very likely that you do not waste a liter. If you ever threw your Coca-Cola because the expiration date has arrived, instead of throwing it away, it is better to take advantage of it with this trick. Surely it has happened to you that the drainage of the sink of your bathroom or the tray of your kitchen give off a slightly fetid and unpleasant aroma. This is because the food waste is impregnated inside the pipe, decomposing inside it, and as they are difficult places to reach, it is impossible to clean them. Unfortunately, in the long run, these waste can also clog the flow of water by covering our pipes and drainages. You may not know it, but there is a very simple tip that will help you to prevent your drainage from clogging, and above all, to avoid the bad smells that the tray of the kitchen releases. This tip is very simple, and all you need is a little Coca-Cola, preferably an expired one that you can no longer consume. After all, its flavor is delicious and no one will want to throw their glass of Coca-Cola through the drain. That is why we recommend that you use one that has already expired. The advice is quite simple and I will explain it to you below. But first of all, leave us below where you see us to send you a special greeting in the next video. Today's special greeting is for Daniel Laura from the Dominican Republic. Now all you have to do is throw Coca-Cola and let its elements act to eliminate the waste that is inside the pipe. Coca-Cola will serve as a cleaner of your drainage due to the content of phosphoric acid. This chemical element will help to remove the impregnated remains in your pipe, eliminating the residues that generate the bad smells inside our bathroom and kitchen. For this trick to work, we must leave the phosphoric acid that Coca-Cola has acting. To do this, you should not use your sink or tray for a few hours, so we recommend that you throw Coca-Cola in your drainage all night and let it act. Now all you have to do is let the phosphoric acid do its job all night. The next day, you must throw hot water through the same drain, so that the impregnated food remains end up coming off. This way you will eliminate the bad smells and prevent your pipe from clogging. If you made it to the end of the video, leave me below Coca-Cola for my drainage to know that you made it to the end.